So for the morning practices, we'll be doing some energy medicine practices. It's from the Donna Eden School of Energy Medicine. I've been using their 5-minute energy routine for about 20 years. I love it. I've pretty much been doing it every day for the last 10 years. And then also some work around specific, and the energy medicine helps to balance our energy system. It helps to, it's also work about the balancing the brain and calming the nervous system, and helping our energy to flow. And then there's also some specific energy medicine tools to support us to release and unburden areas of our bodies that often carry and imprints from our ancestors, and that's particularly the root chakra, the appendix area, the kidneys. They can live at other places in the body, but they're often places that these kind of imprints can live. So we work with yeah, a little tool to support us with that. So that's what that aspect of the morning routine will look like, a little bit of an intro to that.